Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and this surprisingly light padlock is an ABUS 78L45 because it is aluminium and it's a weatherproof padlock. Can't take the weatherproofing off this. I'm sure I could, but I don't want to rip it off. Very light aluminium lock and very, very horrible to pick. Not because the bitting is bad or even hard or challenging, but because it's genuinely just feels horrible to get feedback on. I think it's because these often have aluminium driver pins as well as an aluminium Bible and a steel core, and just the combination of those materials just makes for a really yucky, inconsistent pick, but nevertheless we'll give it a bit of a go. And yeah, it's only a little 5-pinner. Okay, so we are in the vise. Here is that key. Quite a flat bitting, so I would have expected this to be quite an easy pick, but it just is not. And that, in a way, is kind of frustrating. I'm going to try and use a flat top short hook for the most part, and this top of the keyway turner. Getting bottom of the keyway tension on this is actually pretty tough, so let's pull that out. I don't want to... I feel that we've got good turning force on this. I'm going to go in all the way to the back like this if I can. There we go. Just pull the pick through. Pin 3's binding a little bit here, but can I get it to set? A little click there. That's pin 2. Pin 4. Pin 3's binding. A little click. Anything on 1? Maybe a tiny click on 1. Go back through. Pin 4 here. A little click on 4. Just try and pin 5. Can't feel anything on 5. 4, 3, 2, 1. No, maybe a deeper hook. Would a deeper hook help? Maybe pin 1 needs a little lift. Pin 2, just give me a little click there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 give me a... I don't know whether that was me slipping off the warning or pin 5 setting there. Like I said, feedback on this lock is terrible. Maybe loosen the tension up a bit. That was 5, 4, 3, little click, 2, little click, maybe a tiny click on 1. Just going back through, just gently testing each pin in turn. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 feels good. We notice how we don't have the lock open. So something is going on inside here. That's pin 2 there. And yeah, oh, we got the open. That was absolutely horrible. I'm not going to lie, those last 2 pins, I'm not even sure what I hit. I think loosening the tension up, I think I was using too much tension to begin with, definitely helped, but that's a horrible lock to pick. Just the feel of those aluminium pins, just horrible. Anyway, look, at least the colour's nice, eh? Well, if you like that video, then please leave me a like. If you haven't subscribed, now's the time to do so to see more content like this. You can even hit that notification bell to be notified for when I next upload content. If you have any comments about this lock, have you picked one? What do you think to how it feels? Let me know in the comments below. I do read them all and reply to as many as I can. Otherwise, stay safe, happy picking, and I'll see you all next time.